Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Obenrader again, and we are back again today. And today we're going to learn how to make a ladybug that goes along with our lesson today. And we are going to make it out of the paper that you were sent. You should have been received red paper and black paper, and then you also have strips of black paper as well. So the first thing we have to do is we have to use this part right here. And we are going to cut, kind of make it look like it's in sections, kind of, and have your three sections like a ladybug would have of their body. Their head, then we talked about their thorax, and then we're going to go ahead and cut out the bottom part, which is the abdomen. So that would be our ladybug part that we have. And then with the red, we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut out wings. So what you are going to do is you are going to cut a circle out of your red construction paper. The best circle that you can do. You could trace something if you want. And then you're going to cut right through the middle. So you end up with two halves, so it looks like our wings are going to spread apart. And now you're going to take the body, and if you have glue, you can use your glue. If not, I just have here some tape. I'm just going to make some little donut holes with my tape, and I'm going to tape them right to my body of my ladybug. You can make it so it looks like they're spreading their wings out and they are flying. You could put your wings close together like they were walking on a leaf. Either way you want to do it. I kind of made mine so it looked like my ladybug was flying. So there you go. Now you have your ladybug. Now, you also, if you want, you can go ahead and you can put on some antenna as well. So you could take your scraps left over from your black. I'm going to cut a piece off, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half. So I end up with how many, boys and girls? Yes, I'm going to end up with 2, which is exactly what we need. And I'm just going to cut them around, and we're going to make little antenna. And I have 2. So then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to actually add tape because I have tape. I'm going to put a tape right across the back of this and tape them right to the top. So now I have my ladybug. Well, now what you're going to do with your ladybug is you're going to be using this for math because you are going to, so first you cut all your pieces out and we looked at different shapes, and now you are going to use your strips of black paper, and I want you to fold it. You could fold it in half and then in half again if you want to, or you could just fold it in half one time and cut more circles. But what you're going to do is you're going to cut your circles, and they're going to be your spots on your ladybug because you're going to practice some addition and some subtraction with your spots. So I'm just cutting them out and making sure I have lots of spots to add and subtract. And I know we've been practicing this so much that you are getting so good at adding and subtracting. So once you have all of your spots cut out, which I'm going to show you, you have all of your spots cut out, we're going to practice adding and subtracting. So make sure you get your ladybug finished first so then we can practice with our addition and our subtraction. All right, so boys and girls, you should have your ladybug all made at this point. And what I did is I just taped it up to my board. You can do this down in front of you. We're just going to practice 3 addition problems and 3 subtraction problems. But then I want you at home to practice some more with someone to help you, or you could make up your own number sentences as well. So the first one I have here, tell me what number is this? 2. So we have 2 plus 4. All right, so what I'm going to do is I am going to put 2 spots here, and I'm going to put 4 spots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I want to know, how many do I have all together? Let's count them and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 must equal 6. Very good. All right, now I see over here. So here, let me just do this because it was one number sentence. There we go. Now I have over here, what number is this? Number 3 plus 6. It's a much bigger number. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use my dots that I have here. And remember that equaled 6. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to take these over here. 5 and 6. All right, but what number did we say need to be here? 3. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. So now we need to add them all together. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Whoops. So 3 plus 6 equals 9. Make that a number sentence. All right, and then our last one is how many? 4 plus 1. All right, so let's take all of our spots back off. Again, yours will be easy to clear because yours is just lying in front of you. And then after you're done, if you want to keep that cute ladybug, you can go ahead and you can glue some spots on it after you're done with your addition and subtraction. All right, so it said 4, so let's put 4 on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's 4 and 1 more is, you got it, it's 5. We didn't even have to put it on there. But when we add them all together, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 4 and 1 more equals 5. Dive down, swim around, and back to the ground. And that's our 5. So those were our addition facts. Now we're going to go ahead, my board was trying to fly away on me here. We're going to go ahead and take these back off, and we are going to practice our subtraction problems. All right, so this time I'm going to put everything on the same wing for this one. And how many do we have first? Yes, that is the number 8. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 spots, but then 2 go away. So I'm going to take off 2. 1, 2. How many are we left with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are left with 6. So 8 minus 2 equals 6. So there's one subtraction problem. And then, oh, look at that one. There's that number 6, and we have 6 on there. But then it says minus 4. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take away 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 4 equals how many? 2. Very good. And you probably saw my dog, Sydney. She was trying to get in on our subtraction problems as well. And then our last one is 2 minus 1. So if I have 2 and I take away 1, I'm left with 1. Very good. Boys and girls, you are getting the hang of addition and subtraction, and you are doing such a great job. So have fun making your ladybug. Have fun doing some math problems with your spots, and I hope you have a great day with that, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.